Okay, wait. What is our core value for today? It starts with the letter H.
Helping.
Very good. It's helpful. So for today, our talk is all about unity. So earlier in the game, we played, unity is working together as a team. So you remember, listen, Kuya. So you remember when you were playing with the spoon relay, you were working together, right? So can you play alone? No, you cannot play alone. That's why unity is called working together, because you are playing and you are working as a team. So what is unity? I cannot hear you.
Working as a team.
Yeah, unity is working together as a team. So we are here to help. We are here to help one another. So did you notice when you were playing with the spoon relay, you were passing the egg to your, the ball to your friend, right? So that is unity, because you are working together as one. What is unity again?
Working together as a team.
Very good. So unity means working together as a team or as one team. Why? Why do we have to be united, or why is it important to have unity? So then tell me why.
To help.
So if you don't have unity, you will fight with each other. Is that what Jesus wants? Excuse me, listen first and then we will play later. So did you fight with one another in the game? So were you united? So if you are united, there is no fighting or there's no quarreling. So if there is quarreling, meaning you are not united. So what is again unity?
Helping others.
Yeah, helping and working with one another as a team. But if there is fighting, is it unity?
No.
Very good. So when you were a baby, who was taking care of you? So we need our mommy and daddy. So we are united as one family. So is your family one? Yes, so you have family. So your family is united. Are you fighting with your sibling, with your younger brother or sister? So do you love them?
Bye, Josh.
Are you sure? Are you helping one another at home? Okay, so how can we help one another at home? Who is helping the dishes? What is your answer? What are you doing at home?
Taking care of the baby.
Wow!
Cleaning the room.
Who else? Who else is helping
Very responsible.
other parents at home?
Wonderful.
What are you doing? Oh, you have a baby. Baby.
Baby sister.
Wow,
Baby sister.
very good. What else? You fix your things. Wow.
Very
Who
good.
else?
My dishes.
Wow. Wow, very good. You, Kuya.
Fix my bed.
Wow. What else?
Yeah.
Oh, cleaning the dishes also. How about you?
I got 8 answers.
Everybody will have an answer. Wow. Kuya, what do you do? Wow, you fix in your bed? What else? How about you?
Come on!
Ate, how about you?
My bed.
Wow, what chores?
You're fixing your bed without
Oh,
your
sorry,
bed.
I'm fixing my bed.
Fixing your bed without your bed.
Without mommy.
Wow. Who else?
Ah.
Wow,
Ate
you're
Sarah,
helping.
ito pa.
Who else?
I help my parents.
How?
Wow, laundry. And,
By giving her the laundry.
wow, taking care of Sam. And, ate? Very good. And who else who hasn't have an answer? Ate, Kuya, do you have?
Ito wala.
Fixing the car.
Renzo.
Okay. So,
Driving for them.
Okay. So, everybody is helping at home. Hello.
Kids.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Okay. So everybody is helping each other at home. So let's give ourselves one clap.
Yay.
Okay. 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 How about at school? Do you also help? Okay. Okay, ate.
I help my friends to fix the books.
Wow. Okay.
I help my teacher erase the board.
Wow, very good.
And I do my homework.
Wow. Are you sharing your homework?
Help your classmates answer the kids' quizzes.
That's cheating.
Yeah, that's cheating. Don't do it,
Ah,
huh?
you're helping and
I do what my teacher.
so very good. So everybody is helping. Yes. Are you listening to your teacher?
But some my classmate doesn't.
Oh, that's not good. You have to listen to your teacher.
And
And we should also help our teacher with the books, with erasing, and with cleaning our things. Okay, how about in KFC? How are you helping each other?
In Kids for Christ.
In Kids for Christ, not in Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Eating
Okay.
chicken.
Eating chicken! Okay, yes? In KFC, Kids for Christ.
Eating chicken.
What?
KFC pala yung sa...
Oh, wait.
Wait.
I don't want to sit down.
Giving the folder. Aris, what's your answer? How do you help in KFC, Kids for Christ?
Working together.
Working together. How about with titos and titas and atis and kuyas? How can you help them? Yes?
Next time, I got it. I got it.
Oh, just one answer.
Help
Door.
Listen to them.
Are you listening? Are you listening?
Yes, you're listening.
Please listen. Okay, so God gave us family, friends. Excuse me. Listen first. Are you helping me? You're not listening.
You're not helping,
Ate
Ate
Sarah.
Sarah.
You have to listen. Okay? So, God gave us our family, friends, school, and the KFC community. So, we should be united. So, what is unity again? Working together as one team. So, God doesn't want us to fight with one another. So, God wants us to be a good children. So, we have to be helpful and we have to love our family and friends. So, if we are helping one another, we are loving them. What is our slogan again? Helping others means loving Jesus. So, if you are helping one another, it is loving Jesus also. And if you're loving others, meaning Jesus is also being loved and He's going to be happy.
Yes.
Yes! Is that yes?
Yes.
Yes. So God wants us to be united. God wants us to be helpful with one another. He doesn't want us to fight. Does He want us to fight with one another and fight? No. So He wants us to be united. Okay. So what is again our core value for this month?
Help.
Again, everybody should say it. What is our core value? Helpful. How come some are not saying it? Again. Helpful. And what is our slogan?
Helping others means loving Jesus.
Okay, together with Atis and Kuya and Tito. Okay. Loving Jesus. Okay, again, what is unity?